Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's question is space exploration really worth the cost? This question sparks a controversial debate because there are many opinions, but I'm here to give you my opinion. So, first of all, how much is space exploration? NASA spent a total of 900 billion since its creation in 1958, with a whopping $16 billion spent a year. And that's according to a 2014 article. So if NASA spends the same amount, which is $16 billion on average, then that means NASA spent more than $960 billion on space exploration. To put that in perspective, you can buy 960 private islands or 96 million iPhone X's. That's a lot of dollars. In fact, theoretically, if this much money was in $100 bills, they would weigh about 19,200,000 pounds. So in theory, if you were to bring this much cash and theoretically put it in a bag, don't know where would you find a bag that big, but we're using our imagination here. So anyways, this bag would take the number 14 place in the world's heaviest objects on Earth, beating Saturn V rocket, which weighs about 6.89 million pounds, and the Sage computer, which weighs about 500,000 pounds. Now you're probably like, OMG, this is really expensive, but space exploration changed our lives drastically, from athlete's shoes, which wouldn't have been invented if it weren't for suit construction technology. The technology developed by NASA and a former NASA engineer that first pitched the idea, or NASA being one of the forerunners in developing wireless headsets for astronauts to communicate in space. Or even computer mice and laptops, named portable computers back then, and SAT scanners, and many more stuff. In my opinion, it's worth the money, especially because it has been estimated that consumers each year spend $65 billion on soda drinks and $7.5 billion on potato chips in the US only. But is space exploration worth the risk? Is it worth risking lives of crew members? To answer this question, let's see how many fatalities have occurred during space flights and during testing, and how many incidents have occurred, non-fatal accidents have occurred in during spaceflight. Over the course of 52 years, 18 fatalities occurred during spaceflight, while 11 fatalities occurred during testing, and 36 non-fatal incidents. So 29 fatalities over a course of 52 years of exploring the unknown. This isn't a lot of fatalities compared to something like car crashes, and these brave astronauts will always be remembered as the heroes they were and will always be. In conclusion, I think that space exploration is worth the cost and worth the risk, because it's among the most important things that make Earth and us as humanity thrive. And yeah, it's absolutely worth the cost and the risk. But that's my opinion. Tell me your opinion in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos. And if you didn't enjoy this video, please tell me why in the comment section down below, and I will try to improve my videos. And don't forget to check out the sources down in the description below. See you next week. Bye.